I'm out and about in the new vehicle, guys, and I am reminiscing a little bit about the Avalon. It was such a simple, true, and good vehicle for me and for the fam. This thing I think is a little bit better, and I think it's possibly even smoother. It's definitely slower. But this thing makes me want to drive super slowly. Like, I feel like I'm a barge in this, and I'm not gonna do a review on it quite yet. I'm gonna have it first, I don't know, at least another week or so. That way I can gather my thoughts, the things I like, I don't like, and then I also want to do a couple other videos with this particular vehicle. So I have a lot of things in mind for it, but ultimately it's a family vehicle. It is meant to carry my family to and fro, and right now I'm doing something that most people do in this, which is go to the store, go into Trader Joe's, got to pick up some bananas, maybe some blueberries. Gosh, my wife probably made me a list, and I still can't think of why I'm going other than bananas and blueberries. I know bread, nailed it, it's bread. All right, my girls haven't had peanut butter and jelly. Well, it's a little bit more sophisticated than that since it's Trader Joe's, since we get sunflower seed butter and blueberry preserves that are fully organic. But yeah, like, we call it peanut butter and jelly to our kids, even though it's not, if that makes sense, because it's so much easier to say, yo, peanut butter jelly than sunflower seed butter and raspberry preserves with no added sugar. You guys get my point. And I'm not used to this vlogging thing. There's a Scion IQ. That is the weirdest thing. That's probably what the next Lexus, or the first Lexus electric vehicle, is gonna look like. I hate to say it, but that's the way it is. I'm not used to vlogging, and I'm not used, well, yeah, especially in the car, this feels really weird. And there's probably people like staring at me and stuff, but whatever, like, whatever, you know, I'm living my dream. I'm doing my passion. I'm in a Toyota or Lexus right now, and I'm just vlogging, and I'm enjoying life. Even though it's cold as hell. We got our first snowfall last night, and it's gonna snow tomorrow morning, and the day after that is Halloween. So it's not the best Halloween trick-or-treating weather, but we'll make do. Gosh, it's gonna be like a high of 40 on Halloween. This vehicle does really well in the cold. The heaters are great. I have heated seats in this bad boy, and I have never had heated seats in a car before, so I'm loving it so much. But again, I'll reserve judgment for my final review on it in a week or so. And don't worry, guys, I will show you the vehicle. Once I get to the store, I'm probably gonna find a parking spot and do a walk around with you and do the unveil, because you guys don't even know what it is yet. Some of you may have figured it out because of you can see in the back of the vehicle. Some of you are probably just clueless, which that would be me. I would have no idea what I would be driving right now. So, ooh, we're above freezing already, 34 degrees. That's something that this car also has. It has a thermometer in it for outside temperature. That is next level for me. I'm super excited about all the features in this car. It's super awesome. 34 degrees is not that awesome, however, but at least it's above freezing. This thing, like I said, drives like a barge. It also stops like a barge. This thing does not come to a stop very quickly, but I'm probably more gentle on the brake pedal than this car needs me to be. So I'm used to driving smaller vehicles. I don't require a lot of brake force, but maybe this thing, you really have to dig down and punch it to the floor when you want to brake. Oh my gosh, it's actually kind of busy. It's kind of busy at Trader Joe's today. Oh, love Trader Joe's so much. Guys, if you don't shop at Trader Joe's, you're really doing yourself a disservice. It's like if you're a computer nerd and you can't, I don't know. It's definitely the way to go, for sure. But I'm going to back this vehicle in, and we are going to do a little walk around. Probably one of the worst places to do a walk around, because Trader Joe's parking lot, and it's not just Trader Joe's, there's like tons of other shops around here, but the traffic around here is bonkers. But it's like 10 o'clock on a Tuesday, so we'll take our chances. If I get hit, I get hit. There's Trader Joe's, and here's the unveil. The 2004 Toyota Sienna XLE Limited all-wheel drive. It's got the 3MZ FE motor with 230 horsepower. This thing is a family machine, and I can't say enough about it until the review, then I'll tell you more about it. Did I mention this thing has all-wheel drive as well? Check this out. Look at this. Look at this. How many badges can you put on the back of a van? At least 4 or 5, 6 if you count the Toyota logo. So there you go. There it is, guys. I can't wait to show you more about this vehicle when I do the full review, but this thing is balling out of control. I love it so much. I've only had it for a day, but this thing is exactly what my family needed for now. One day I'll get another Sienna, probably a brand new one. I need to fix the fog lights. There's a couple scuffs on it, but one day I'll get a brand new Sienna. I really am waiting either for a hybrid or a plug-in hybrid, but these old ones, man, they run forever. This bad boy's got 164,000 on it and it runs like brand new. But I need to go grocery shopping. Let's go. Just finished an excellent shopping run. Just got a few things. Some Trader Joe's branded Doritos essentially is what I've been hankering for. I know they're not the best for me, but man, when you have that craving, you got to indulge every once in a while. But I'm not gonna vlog on the way home. What do you guys think of the Sienna? What do you think of this vlogging style? I know it's something totally out of the ordinary for my channel. I usually just hang out in the studio or do car reviews. I do enjoy doing it. It's a little bit different, a little bit fun, a little bit more creative. I'll see you guys in the comments below. I can't wait to talk to you guys about the Sienna, and I can't wait to do a review on it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.